this is how to do a burnout. First, you're gonna press the gas and the brake button at the same time, like this. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make quick money and FR Legends. First, you are gonna go to garage or credits, not credits, garage, and then you're gonna press the plus and go to free. After that, you can watch ads to get free money in the game, of course, not in real life. The ad is like 15 seconds, so it's not gonna take you a lot of time. As you can see, there is a countdown. What that means is after every 10 minutes, one of the cards will be highlighted, and after you watch like 7 videos or maybe 8 ads per day, there will be no more for the day, and you have to wait for another day to play. So the second fastest way to earn money is play solo runs. If you're an amateur and you're not so good at drifting, I recommend using the first one. Press to continue. If you follow the exact same step, you might be able to. And you finish in style. I have 97 points and I already earned 350 points. I'm gonna play again and show you guys. If you get 100 points, you will be getting 400 credits, which is better. I'm still not at 100, but still I earned some credits. You can see here that the money grew, and if you are pretty good at the game, you can play Route B, but Route D, I don't recommend playing this because it's too hard, too many turns and all that. I got 100 points, and I got 450. You can see that my points grew. So this is another tip to save money. I'm gonna go ahead and repair my car. You have to go to any lobby. After that, you go here to the repair shop. What you're gonna do is repair your tires only. Now you can see that I'm at full now. Do not repair your car and the other thing, because you're gonna end up wasting your money for no reason. And also don't worry about the state of the car, like that you're gonna be able to save a lot of money if you do not repair your car. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to be faster in the game. What you're gonna do is press on the car, and then you are going to remove your rear bumper like that. and you're gonna go to the front and press on hood and remove your hood, and also you're gonna remove your front bumper. Not this. Yeah, after doing this, it should remove a lot of weight. And also what you don't want to do is to put a roll cage inside. A roll cage is just gonna make you more heavy and it will not help you at all. So after doing this, your car should be faster. And yeah, that's the video for today. Make sure you subscribe with notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.